Welcome to the Business Africa Hub, your one-stop platform for all things African business. Africa is home to some of the world's most innovative and dynamic businesses, and we're here to showcase them to the world. Our platform provides a space for African entrepreneurs to connect, collaborate, and grow their businesses. With exclusive interviews, industry insights, and networking opportunities, we're empowering the next generation of African business leaders. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some of the most successful and innovative startups in African business today, according to todayafrica.co.
5 for Gene Lagos, Nigeria, Washington, D.C., a company specializing in sequencing African genomes that played a key role in launching COVID-19 mobile testing laboratories in Nigeria. 2. Pharma Accra, Ghana, a startup that helped provide molecular diagnostic equipment for COVID-19 testing in Ghana and Nigeria and donated free vaccines to the Ghanaian government. 3. Cambridge Industries, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, a startup focused on technological innovation in areas such as insect farming, waste-to-energy power plants, and recycling. 4. Let's Things Harare, Zimbabwe, a company that uses blockchain technology to create and store digital identities for individuals lacking official forms of identification. 5. Kuda Lagos, Nigeria, an online-only bank that has served over 1 million customers and received funding from notable investors. 6. Moringa School, Nairobi, Kenya, a learning institution that teaches tech talent skills and has an over 85% employment rate for graduates. 7. Sakawatch, Nairobi, Kenya, a startup that sources goods for informal retailers and has attracted suppliers such as Unilever and Procter & Gamble.
From tech to agriculture, finance to creative industries, we're shining a spotlight on the most exciting and impactful businesses in Africa. Join the Business Africa Hub community today and be part of the continent's entrepreneurial revolution.
Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.